Hello, my name is Tessa Agnote and I'm from RUOL Batch 4. I first joined RUOL because I wanted to explore different niches before I settle on a particular niche that I want to serve. Here at RUOL, there are different courses to choose from. We have real estate, Amazon and Shopify bookkeeping, and US tax to name a few. But my personal favorite is Australian bookkeeping because I learned a lot. Kami ko nakikitang job post looking for someone who knows how to prepare BAS and IAS. Lako ang hirap nun. Pero dito, dali lang naman pala. Aim ng Australian bookkeeping, the students to confidently pursue virtual bookkeeping for Australian clients. Ko, I'm speaking for myself. I am now more confident. Pero right now, some of my classmates and I are undergoing internship sa Australian bookkeeping. We enjoyed the experience. So for those looking for a niche, ang ganda nito. I think you would love RUOL dahil malalaman ninyo kung ano ang para sa inyong niche.